this is the method I use because when I use this Laura Mercier on top of that powder, I notice I don't get any creasing. It helps keep my clients non-greasy, non-oily. So I'm going in with the translucent powder and setting that area as well. And we're going to let that bake, honey. We're going to let that set into the skin and get right. You heard? So now I usually pat first all over with the powder. Okay, because you want to set it first. Then you start brushing it all over. See, pat, 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 pat. I'm patting all over the face. We want to blend it all together and make this whole look seamless, okay? So we done our liquids. Now we're going into our powders. And now I'm using the brush in a circular motion now that everything is set. And the reason you pat first and then start blending is because you don't want the makeup to move all over the face. So I'm patting and then blending, patting, blending, patting, blending, and I'm using the circular motion so that we can just make it all look monochromatic like these pictures here. We want it seamless, no lines. We shouldn't even be able to tell that we had contoured and highlight earlier. That's the goal here. We want it to just be smooth with a V. Okay, now we're